Hello, today we will guide you through how to check Cloudflare Ray ID. To begin, open Cloudflare in your browser and go to the Cloudflare Web Performance and Security dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be able to see the websites or domains connected to your account. This is the starting point for locating security-related event details, including a specific Ray ID. And from there, click on the sample domain you want to review. In your own account, this would be the domain connected to the request or issue you're investigating. Selecting the correct domain is important because Ray ID information is tied to the security activity for that specific site. After the domain opens, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Security. This section contains the tools and reporting related to traffic inspection, threats, and access events. If you're checking a Ray ID because a visitor reported being blocked or challenged, this is the area where you'll typically begin tracing what happened. Once you're inside the security section, click on Analytics. The Analytics view gives you a broader look at security activity across your site. It helps organize event data so you can narrow down what you're searching for instead of manually scanning unrelated information. Next, click on Events. This will take you into a more detailed event log where individual security actions can be reviewed. This is especially useful when you need to investigate a specific request and match it to a known identifier. Now click on Add Filter. Filters help refine the event list, which can save a lot of time if your site receives a large volume of traffic. Rather than reviewing every event, you can focus the results on the exact type of detail you need. After that, click on the new filter field that appears. This is where you choose what kind of value you want to filter by. Cloudflare provides several filtering options, but for this task, you'll want to select the one related specifically to the Ray ID, then click on Ray ID. Choosing this filter allows you to search security events using the Ray ID associated with a request. Once selected, you can use that filter to pinpoint the matching event and review the related security information more efficiently. That's the process for getting to the Ray ID filter inside Cloudflare. If you're troubleshooting an access issue, make sure you're working in the correct domain and security events area so your search results are accurate and useful.